when you can hear me.
I got my computer. I can't see what they're saying.
Can't what?
I can't tell what they're hearing.
Oh, me either. But they'll let us know. They can hear me. It's dark as shit. Open up the iris.
Stop doing that!
What?
I have to touch the tripod before I touch the camera. I'm gonna fuck it up. Better? Well, it's gonna take a few seconds before they notice.
Boden, and welcome to today's Captain's Blog. It is Friday. Wow, it's Friday. I thought it was Thursday. It's Friday, May 17th at 12:21 hours. Und ich habe Viewer Man! I have a box. Crisco! Your box is here. Is Crisco in the IRC? He donated this morning. I saw it come in.
Yay.
Hey, it was cool. We paid the DTE bill.
Yay.
Which really bugs me on multiple levels.
What do you mean?
Well, DTE is our gas bill.
Yeah.
DTE is the modern vernacular for a company that for a million years has been called Detroit Edison.
Hey.
Yeah. Edison. I hate Edison.
Okay.
We have, in this state, a museum dedicated to that dick, Edison. The rat bastard Edison. The monster Edison. Killer of dogs and elephants. What the hell is that?
He killed an elephant doing that?
Yeah, he electrocuted an elephant.
I want to say that that's terrible, but that's a little awesome.
It's terrible!
It's a little awesome. Because when you're committed to killing animals to make a stupid, stupid point, you might as well go big.
You're dead to me now. Alright, what do we have here? These look like KVM cables. I'm going to get stabbed if I don't put that away. These look like KVM cables. This looks like power supplies. That is a sexy, sexy Belkin KVM.
Huh.
Look at that. We've got the slave input, the master input, the slave output. Flash. This is where you hook up the strobe. Apparently. I know this because I've got a camera with a plug on that says flash, and it's where you hook up the external strobe. So this is a KVM with an external strobe, which is really awesome. So thank you to Crisco, and now I know where you're from. Appleton? He's from Wisconsin.
Huh.
Cool.
There isn't an Appleton, Michigan?
Not that I know of.
I'm genuinely surprised.
Appleton, Wisconsin.
Yeah, but you'd
I
think
got a buddy who used to live there.
the apple production of Michigan, you'd think that'd be a town called Appleton.
Maybe? I don't know. Alright, so that's viewer mail for the morning. Thank you, Crisco. That is awesome. That is actually useful as hell. Hey, Rocco!
Yeah.
I got your KVM for the computer lab.
Sweet.
It's a sexy Belkin 8-port KVM. It's got USB, PS2, VGA, and a slave. Master and slave. In equal parts split down the middle. Drinking doubles at the bar. Master and slave.
What?
Hi, Moose. What do you got?
I can't make it official.
Oh, okay. We're doing viewer mail.
We're done with viewer mail.
We're done with viewer mail.
More
We're done
as
with
it
viewer
happens.
mail. You guys have fun. We'll be back. 12:50 hours, and we are placing the roof on the main set. Do you need a helper? Do you need an adult?
No.
Okay. Are you gonna die?
Eventually.
As long as it's not in the next 20 minutes, we're all right.
I have no idea how to do this.
Neither do I.
What I would do is one person goes low, and we set it up on top, and then
Okay.
that's what I would do. It goes in. It's gonna go like this. It's gonna go.
How about we sit down for a second,
Okay.
pull this a foot from the wall so we're less likely to hit Orlex?
I like that idea.
That would be good. Do you need more people? I can get you more people.
I think at least one other would be a good idea.
Okay, I'll be right back. You guys move that from the wall. I'm gonna get you somebody. we want.
She just found that camera. Is that camera in there live?
She just found what?
The
Is that
camera.
camera in there live?
Well, you just watched me walk past it a second ago there.
No, I didn't. I
Yeah,
just turned it on.
there's a delay. Go in the other room.
Go in the room.
Quick.
That's what I just told you.
Yes, it's live right now. You work in Studio D and just now realized that we have a live stream.
Yes.
Wow. All right, you're the helper. Here, wait just a second. You'll see him walk by the thing. There's a delay. There, see?
Wow, you put
He walked in front of the wrong camera.
The wrong camera. Oh, man.
Wow. And you guys are the video production team. Come with me, dear. Come here, both of you. Come here. What the hell was that? Are you all right? Did you just shit a watermelon or something? It's this camera right here. Yes, you can do intern things. Come here, all three of you. Here. What?
I have to lift a thing. You can come inside. Like through the front.
Go to the front door. A very nice gentleman's going to be here. It's Jabroni's dad. Go grab him, bring him here. Or just be nice to him and entertain him and get him some scotch or something. I don't know.
It's in my desk.
All right, you get a piece of this and help them.
I'm going to go high. Because that's why I have.
Why is that ladder there?
Because I have to go high.
That's the worst possible place. Okay.
Help him up with that.
Oh yeah, this totally doesn't end bad.
Of course not. That's horribly bad. There's a difference.
Okay, there's one piece. We just slide it back with total disregard for the drywall.
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay, now what?
Okay, now we need people on the other end to help Patrick.
Hold on. Is that? Can you
Yes, get on it.
stay, hold?
God, this is so jank. So very ghetto. Jabroni, push it to the rear.
I'm pushing as hard as I fucking.
Push harder.
Push like a pregnant lady!
What? Oh God! Yes, it is.
Hold on.
Okay, just keep pushing. Okay, now, everybody take a moment and breathe. Okay, now reposition ladders and we're good.
Those were my fingers.
Oh, you don't need this.
All of my fingers.
Are lights gonna go up there or something?
Yes.
Alright, do you
The
want to
whole
go in
second
and
floor is
position
gonna
it?
go
'Cause
up
I don't know.
Oh, this is the second floor.
Yes.
Well, not much of a second floor. It's only about 1.5 feet of a second floor, but yes, there is a second floor.
There's a mezzanine.
Yes, it's the rigging area for lights and when the midgets drop down into the scene.
Balloons.
Jackies,
I love short people,
clowns, confetti.
especially in Game of Thrones.
All right.
Oh.
Yeah, oh God.
Sounds like a good.
Oh, that was an expensive sound. Okay.
They're just very
It wants to be flush to all outer edges is the goal.
Go. Yeah. East.
Oh, it's sticking out on the side.
It's all right. The walls move.
Oh, okay.
The top thing is square. The walls are not quite yet square, but they will be once we start screwing this down. We'll start at the back corner.
This wants to be flush with the drywall?
No, the back. It wants to be flush to all outer edges.
Okay. I'm good.
And once we set, see, we know the back is a straight line, right? So we screw it on the back there, then we screw it on the back here, then we tweak the wall to get everything perfect, and we screw it together.
Hey.
And then these side wings, the wall, see how it's out a little bit right now? Well, you can move this wall really easily. So that'll screw there, and that'll help hold the wall in position. And then there's a big steel rail system that goes across the front. There's two giant steel tubes. Hi! That's Jabroni's dad, and he's awesome. We'll put the steel rail system in on top,
Okay.
and then it's rigid. Then it's a solid, rigid, stable box. And then after the rail system goes on, we put the finishing touch on, which is a trolley. See that trolley over there? Mm-hmm. This trolley is designed for an overhead camera, so that we can have an overhead camera that can move back and forth. Okay. Yeah. So there's going to be a trolley on that side. Huh?
Why does that have no?
Because that's just the viewer mail set.
Oh, okay.
And now it's time to do viewer mail. So watch this. Here, we'll hand this off to Patrick because she has no idea what viewer mail is.
Ah!
These people just realized that we do live television.
I
They just figured that out. I find this disturbing. So, come here. Come right here.
You have been volunteered.
You've been voluntold. Come here. Yes, you too. Come here. All right. So, this is the viewer mail set.
Oops. Don't stand in front of the camera.
This set is not used for production videos, so we don't use it for Geek Group videos. Except once in a great while, I may pull this into service, and then we'll change it around a bit. This is the IRC. This is Internet Relay Chat. It's a group of people. Oh, hey, Rocco, you up there? They have no audio on us right now, so these people can't hear us at the moment, which is kind of weird. But they interact with us. They today they all donated $1,720 something to pay the gas bill for the building.
Oh, nice.
So yeah, they're very involved. They paid for the lights in here. They paid for the Orlex. They paid for all the materials for the sets. These guys are heavily involved. Watch this. We're going to see if Rocco can get us audio for viewer mail, and then we'll do the viewer mail thing. But
Okay.
Rocco is actually in the building.
What is that? I'm curious.
What is this? It's crack pipe.
It's an e-cig.
This is mescaline, so you want to Wikipedia mescaline. Alright, so we're going to do viewer mail anyway, because I'm not going to wait for Rocco to get all the way up here. This is the viewer mail mailbox.
Okay.
These people and lots of other people all over the world send us stuff because they have interesting toys, they want to be involved, they want to help out, they send us stuff. This isn't all viewer mail, some of this is other stuff, but this is viewer mail. So, oh no it isn't! This is better than viewer mail. It's from Home Depot. We ordered,
I know what this is.
yeah, we ordered, these guys paid for a tool. The audio is up. You guys can hear us. Cool. Hi guys. Alright, I got a cool bit of viewer mail. I'm counting this as viewer mail from the IRC. We put the receipts on the top shelf. This is the all-new RH228VC Bosch rotary hammer. Check that shit out. Oh yeah. This is the new house. It's stuck in the box. How the hell is it stuck in the box?
It's like a kid at Christmas.
Oh, it's like Christmas every day. That's just part of my job.
Do you need,
Huh?
I asked if you need a bigger blade.
No.
Yeah.
What do you got? This is good. Oh, I just had to figure out what was catching on in the box. Oh, it's the red snap. Oh, this is damn sexy. Oh, comes with a towel. It's that hot. Okay, when you buy it, it comes with a towel.
I think that's to clean yourself up afterwards.
Yeah, after being exposed to its sheer awesomeness. This is a Bosch hammer. That is sexy as hell. This is what we use to cut big damn holes throughout the building. So, cool. We have a Bosch hammer. Thank you, IRC. I love that it comes with a towel. It's that sexy. Now, in another bit of awesome engineering, set this down here because that's going to be service in 5 minutes. We have not one, but two. Now these are from a friend of mine, Dr. Michael Veldman, who is the coolest human being in the entire state of Oklahoma. Check these out. This is art. This is... I have... Some guys get into cars. Some guys get into, like, exotic wines, stuff like that. I am an audio nerd. Even the box is special. That's the original box this came in. That's the original box this came in, like, 20, 30 years ago. It's a little beat up, but I don't care. This is a Carver M400T. audio amplifier. That's an audio amp. And I have this very serious thing for high-end audio equipment. And Bob Carver, the guy who invented these, is a super nerd. Just turbo audio nerd. Just amazingly cool engineering guy. And he founded a company called Carver. Some of their stuff is really amazing, awesome, innovative stuff. He did a lot of this back in the 80s. Some of their stuff is absolute garbage. This one toes the line. But it's really cool and it's a cute, this is an amplifier, it's an audio amp. That's it, it's just an audio amp. But they're delicate. This particular model audio amp is kind of delicate, it's a bit flaky. They're really cool, but they're a bit flaky and delicate. And they're neat from an engineering standpoint. This is not the audio amp you want if you want to like crank up your Serwin Vegas to 180 decibels of death and pain. But this is a really cool audio system for like office type stuff. And there's two of these. And this amp has, you can hook it up as monoblock. So you can use this stereo amp to feed one speaker, which is kind of cool. So yeah, thank you, Mike. I sent Mike one of these amps a long time ago to fix, and he couldn't find parts for it or something like that. And it turned out that he had a couple extra ones that were exactly the same model laying around. And he's like, I've been trying to fix this damn thing for years. I'm just going to send you two new ones here. So dude just sent me two amps. But he sent me Carver amps. So I'm counting this as an early birthday present from Mr. Veldman. Now if I could figure out how to put it back in the damn box, I'd really have something. So thank you, Dr. Mike. You are awesome. He's been a member of the Geek Group for like 300 years. He's a really cool guy. So, alright, there you go. You guys have fun. That's it for viewer mail for now. I don't know, maybe we'll get another round in 10 minutes. And I'm going to get started on the floor. And these are the new video interns who just learned that we have a live stream. So, tell them who you are and what you do. So
I'm Dalton.
That's Dalton Strong, which is his real name.
This is my buddy James.
You got to tell them who you are and what you do.
I do 3D goodness. I work on the computers in the other room with these two, and we make pretty pictures.
I lost my phone.
Yeah, I'm James, and he pretty much explained what I do too.
You gotta add something special.
I do 3D animation and modeling.
And have no stage voice.
At all. No.
He does really
From the diaphragm, bitch!
Enunciate!
Otherwise you're gonna find out how I dictate. Alright, and you are?
I'm Kristen.
And what do you do?
I just build 3D models of the machines.
She models fourth axes.
Yes.
That's her thing right now.
Oh, so sexy.
These guys are all animators. You can tell. They have never seen sunlight.
I'm very pale.
They will all die virgins. And he lives with a cat. Do you live with a cat? No? He doesn't even have a cat. Your cat?
Yes.
Yeah, see? Cat people. They all live alone with their cat. Except him. He lives with his mom. She won't let him have a cat of his own yet, but someday he'll...
If you promise to take care of it.
So this is some of their video team. This is the animation guys. This is Jabroni's team, and he beats on them mercilessly. So you guys have fun. I'm Chris Boden, and we'll be back after this.
Here at the Geek Group, we've invented a new fundraising strategy. You can now purchase impressively tiny coins we've compressed using high-energy magnetism. We induce a current pulse of 100,000 amps into a copper wire coiled around a golden dollar dime or quarter, producing very powerful opposing magnetic fields that compress a quarter to the diameter of a dime, which you then receive in a lovely commemorative package along with the satisfaction that can only come from helping the Geek Group build our endowment, which in turn will allow us to put membership fees, donations, and sponsorships towards furthering the organization rather than just maintaining it. Carry a lightning bolt in your pocket, available at thegeekgroup.org.
that side. Alright, tweak that where you want it. This side, yeah, I'm using I got it. Alright, you gotta climb up and kick that where you want it. I don't know if this is going to fit. I know that this is not going to fit. Here, you can use this at the end. I'm going to use the bucket. That's what I do. Get the bucket. Alright, that actually helps a lot. Let me know when you're there.
Yeah, I think we're there.
You good?
Yeah, we're floating a little bit.
No, I won't. Down?
Yeah. Managed to come down a little bit further if we could.
Give me a second. At a weird angle. That do it?
No, it's still floating, man.
That's all I got. We can float a little as long as we know it's never... There.
That helped out a bit.
Okay, that's as good as that gets. Alright, now the next step is we've got to probably add a second board to get that flush, a board or two to get it flush to the thing, and then we got to slide the big trolley system in there.
That's not going to be fun.
We can do it.
An evil plan is afoot.
You're going to want to see this. Hey, Batman! Now, can you give me a hairline over here real quick? Yeah, sure. What are you using for connection on this standard? Should be a 1/4 inch snap. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, that's quite lovely. Looks a little familiar.
That looks like it's for a snare.
Yeah, it's a drum stand. What's this actual works thing? Something like that used to sit on that tripod long ago. Yes, something exactly like this used to sit on the tripod a long time ago. Oh yeah.
To recharge immediately.
Just like the old one.
Yeah, something's not right with the
Yeah, it's got a vibration.
Well, yeah.
Open the door!
What PSI do you want it set at?
Give me everything you got.
120.
Yeah, 120. Here, grab the case. We'll set it out here.
It's a good chance. So if you,
Yep, that works good. That's fire too. Yeah, that works.
yeah, that's heavy as perfect.
Yeah, that's a 2,000 battery cable. Can I have a ball back, sir? This is beautiful work. The math would be pretty easy to do.
So it's a fun day at the lab. First we had CO or compressed air goodness,
Per capacitor, and there's 2 capacitors.
and now this.
Yeah, but I mean, if you got A-frame, give it delay that to develop force, there's got to be a certain amount of poundage that is capable of generating.
Oh, it's a lot.
That's what you said it was.
Oh, you'll like this. We can do it right here.
Do we want to move vehicles?
Huh?
Vehicles?
I think we'll be okay.
Okay.
Alright, you ready? We're plugged in? No, I'm going to show you with just the ring first. Alright, now that's the voltage down there. Yep, plugged to the wall. Watch this.
Holy crap. And I think that pop we hear is practically just sonic speed.
Yeah, that's this thing just leaving. I really need a shroud over there. Alright, Prof, watch the ball.
Reaches up there pretty good.
On the roof.
Yep. And off.
It's in the Omni yard.
Cool. You can just leave it there, Prof, it's alright. We go through a few of them.
Say, I'm not as spry as I used to be.
Give me a tennis ball.
Leap over the fence, but
Now let's compare that to a tennis ball. Alright. This is our titanium tennis ball. Yeah, 4,000 volts. 3, 2, 1.
yeah, I think it's still up on the roof.
Where do you want this one? Okay. Thank you, Batman.
Yeah, that one didn't come back down.
That's alright. Maybe in orbit.
Can I get Patrick's help for a while?
Sure. Are you working on pole?
I'm trying.
Okay, you go rock floor. Alright.
That's awesome.
It's a fun time here. So see, we're all about launching balls, man. That's what we do.
Velocity is a wonderful period of, or subject for study, frankly.
Yes, well, we like physics. Physics is fun. All science is either physics or stamp collection. What you making, Batman?
Mount. For a mount.
So we're going to do this quick mount, and then I'll paint it. And once he's got it screwed to the wall, I'll paint it. And you two are going to do the overhead gantry goal. Yep. And then it's mud and tape time.
bolting that, right?
Huh?
There's you bolting that down, correct?
The thing up on top?
Yeah.
No, it's going to be, did you put the wood in?
Yeah, we're still a little bit.
It'll be alright.
The wood's there.
I'll show you the plan. Is this done?
Not yet, I got to trim down one more bolt.
Alright, you got to pilot drill the sides.
Huh?
You got to pilot drill the sides.
Getting to it.
Okay.
I'm going to go help move stuff to high voltage seats.
Okay. Now what we've got is
You got actual wood framing up there so we can screw it in.
yeah, but temporarily, okay, we're gonna lift it up and then deck screw a few screws in just to hold it at altitude.
Are you talking about the main set trolley?
Yeah, main set trolley. And it's got the metal flat plates with the holes in them.
Yeah.
We're gonna put like 3 deck screws in each end just to hold it in place.
Okay.
Then we drill, we carriage bolt, we do it right.
That's what I was confused about. I was like,
Yeah.
we already have it up there. We just need to, you know.
No, we gotta, this is the big one, and we remember the fun we had last time. So this time, just deck screws to get it in place, to hold it. And then I'll let you go by and drill it and carriage bolt it up. And I figure we put like 6 bolts on each end, it'll never go anywhere.
Right.
All right.
Aesthetically.
Hey, Moose! Can you cut a piece of wood for me real quick? Come here, I'll show you. It's panel saw stuff, so I need moose for it. I need Miss Moose's magical panel saw of science and love and industry. Science, love, and industry, that's what you do. But if you can cut me to pieces, I can do the decking for that while they're dicking around on the other stuff, and then that gives us an upper deck access while they're screwing it together, which is just nice and easy. I need, climb up there. That's gonna be like 12'6" long and maybe 2 feet wide, but I need wood to be flush across the top, flush to the ends. I just need to cover the top of that in OSB.
Oh, do we have the OSB to do that?
Totally do. Check in Studio B, I'm sure we do. What you doing, Dave?
Alright. I'm wiring the set.
This is our, now the whole set actually just plugs in the wall.
Yep, once I'm done anyways it will.
Okay, so this is just wiring for the outlet strip and the big box.
And lights.
Okay.
And when we're done, we'll just be able to plug her in.
Yay!
And it'll work. My kingdom for a magnetic. This thing moves, right?
What? The set? Yeah, lean on it.
Yeah, just lean on it up. There it goes.
Once it gets going, it moves easy. They're twisty casters.
Oh. My kingdom for a magnetic bit. Anybody interested in my kingdom, you can have it if you send me a magnetic bit.
Not a quick.
I just need a couple sheets of wood cut.
Flush to this wall?
Flush to the outside edges.
Okay, so this extra little foot of wall.
Oh, hang on. Where?
Here?
No, just to the back edge, right here.
Can you please tell them which cameras can physically go in A, because you want apparently 4 of them?
I wanted 2 cameras in A and 1 camera up top.
Okay, what 2 cameras can go in A?
No fucks are given. There aren't cameras in A right now already?
No.
I don't give a shit. Use whatever works. I'm not fussy.
What works?
Between the 3 of you, I'm sure you guys can find 3 working cameras for A. Oh, by the way, long term, come here. I want this one set up, dedicated just for viewer mail set.
It's already set up that way.
It doesn't have audio. It needs a microphone on it, and when you hit the microphone for viewer mail, that microphone needs to work so that anybody, anytime can just walk up, punch viewer mail, and it just works.
I mean what I did today.
That's what you did today?
Yes.
It just worked?
Did it have audio?
Thank you very much for taking care of that. Everybody has audio? See? See?
Audio levels might be a little off, but it's there. Audio's
Okay. Cool.
Right.
I can give you a levels check right now if you want to double check that.
Go upstairs and turn it up.
It's really that easy. They just punch viewer mail and the fucking thing just works.
Yeah, I have no wiring brought one.
I love you, man. God, it's so cool. Let me know when you're ready for a levels check. Punch up viewer mail on a live stream. Let's see if anybody notices. So here's what viewer mail looks like from my point of view. I'm just looking at a camera out there.
That's a pain in the ass.
Half my day. What? Okay.
What's the most efficient way to cut that?
Yeah, that's a pain in the ass. You could do it an even 12 foot across if it makes it significantly easier.
Actually, the thing that would make it significantly easier is to not have the extra 3 inches.
Hey, Chris,
3 inches on the front? Yeah. What?
do we have 2 more cameras like that one?
Yeah, we got 3 of them.
Where are they?
B. Use those.
So
going to be a problem if the screws are poking through the OSB in the roof.
Like out the top? Only if you're the dude that has to walk up there. Can you do it with shorter screws?
I can find shorter screws.
What are you hanging on top?
Huh?
What are you hanging on
I got a
top?
room conduit along top. So if I drill in and I have long screws, it's going to poke out.
Where's the conduit gotta go? Show me where the conduit goes. Are you guys ready for a level check?
Please don't tap the mic if I have it right.
Alright, Dave, can you tap the microphone right there, please?
I thought tapping mics was bad.
It is bad for him, especially on condenser mics.
Alright, I got something wrong. I'll figure it out.
Alright, you got something wrong?
I had
Don't tap the mic. Talk directly into the mic, but don't tap the mic. You ready, Rocco?
Half inch or 3/4.
For what?
Your ceiling.
The ceiling? 3/4.
Half inch.
Hey Rocco, you ready yet? Rocco,
Chris,
are we there yet?
Chris,
I gotta pee.
Patrick, I need 2 pieces of OSB at the pen.
Gotta come down. Oh, Christ. Dave! Dave? Dave left. Balls. I'll be back.
I need 2 pieces.
Oh, Miss Goosey. Miss Goosey. Okay, so who wants to be screwed? Actually, I think Dave, you and I will be lifting. Pat will have me screwed.
so I'm screwed, is that what you're saying?
Yes. You'll be on the little metal step with the... Dave, you ready? Nope.
Charlie's chilling over here, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Charlie's now I'm just putting screws in there to temp hold it so that we can bolt it, correct?
Correct.
How many are we going to need on each side?
Put 5 on each end, and it'll hold it fine.
Okay, thank you.
For the decking screws, no problem. With 5 decking screws on each end, you could hang from that thing and be fine.
I wouldn't.
You ask a lot more of a decking screw than I do.
Yeah, well, him and I are on the same scale here, so.
It's structural.
Or are you lower than that?
I'm 295 actually this week.
Okay.
I was pretty fucking happy with that.
295.
What? Still 3 times your size, aren't they?
Twice, yeah.
What are we all talking about? I'm 395 as of this week, so.
395?
295.
I was 395. I'm 350 still.
My muckles have muckles.
I'm 350, but I've dropped pant sizes. Yes, we're seriously having this conversation. We're waiting on you.
Oh, so.
Yeah.
Okay.
Heck. I want this, I can help haul. Oh.
Go see Star Trek.
I say the holes at the bottom.
Actually, I think the flat side goes down.
Flat side goes up.
How do you figure?
That's how it was. The bolts were all sticking out.
Flat side goes down.
Yeah, structurally it makes sense.
No, I should just.
Because then it'll push into the wall as it pulls.
Alright, you wanna?
Just pick an end, Patrick.
Well, I'm gonna move.
Alright, my fingers are clear.
Okay.
Want it to be flush.
Flush with the front.
Flush to the front.
Yep, as far out to the front as you can.
I've got. It needs to be flush to the front.
Yeah, the problem is
I've got.
The wall will move. Attach Batman's end first.
Alright.
The wall will move as we do this.
Okay. There's a lot of flux to the wall.
Yep.
That's why we're putting this up. Alright.
Dave, that gets a lot easier if you take a couple steps up the ladder.
Yeah. Be able to hold the wall towards. If you go up. Wow, that's almost a whole 2x4 sticks.
Yeah, that's.
If it won't pull, then we'll put a whole 2x4 in there.
She's not going anywhere. Not that far anyways.
All right, stop.
I got the weight. You got the weight? I got the weight.
Let Dave take the weight and real quick, cut a 2x6, full length, 48.
48.
That was our number before, right?
48.
All right, yeah. Cut one at 4 foot. We'll just screw it right in there.
Anybody have a Sharpie on them?
In this room? Yeah. What color would you like?
I got some kind of partial thing going on.
Huh?
I don't know what color is that.
That's pink, Dave. That's pink. That's hot pink.
Ooh, yeah. Well, I guess better too big than too small, right?
You might tell me more.
Okay, cool. This guy.
Oh, really?
It's supposed to be plugged in. Plugged in there. And the light's on.
No, we got two different cords running that direction.
No, it's plugged into light.
Okay. Didn't see that you switched the orange, sorry.
All right, Batman, get up there, help him screw that in place real quick.
Yeah, that's the next question. How do we attach this with that and the what?
Slide it right in there, it'll fit. Yeah, everybody go up together, then come down together, and it'll slide right in and push it.
Think, wouldn't you?
You were right, fat, flush, good job.
Now drill it in. Drill the board to the other boards.
You got it?
Yeah. It's kind of resting a little bit.
All right, that'll do for now. Let's get it in there.
B and C are nothing. Hey, what are you feeling right now? Beer bell. You're gonna have to. Okay. I don't know how we're putting that in right now.
How much over is it?
Between an eighth and a quarter on this side.
All right.
It's enough that it's holding itself in place.
So you want me to loosen the double?
If you do that, that should give us enough wiggle room. Like you took
Yeah, loosen the double.
Okay, I'm just saying it might take everything out of square.
It's gonna take everything out of square.
Then this will force it back into square.
Okay.
Because it's built square.
It's,
we haven't mudded yet. That's
yeah, that's why we waited to do this before mudding. Batman, those two beams are gonna fall.
Huh?
Those two beams are about to fall.
They're not gonna, he's not taking them completely out, are you?
The rest of the drywall though.
Yeah, the rest, yeah.
They should
All right.
have more than drywall. There should be an inch.
Slide four, yeah.
So
You take them off, and I've got.
they are all. There's maybe a quarter, but otherwise, yeah, they're out.
There we go.
What? This? Yeah, I'm fine.
I'm your resistance right now, really sorry.
Oh, alright. I was like,
Alright, can I hang the,
No.
Oh shit! We gotta make sure it's. I should be able to push it all the way down. Yeah.
Oh, right.
So we could put a slate level on it. Just put a pulley on the side so we automatically.
No.
You gotta vote.
You're lower than
There is.
Well, this side is good, so I'm gonna do them.
Have a nice day. I'll see you guys Monday.
Okay, have fun.
There's a box of 2.5 inch screws. It's over here on the deck.
Over here, over here. Right there. Stop. Ed, look at me. See my finger. There you go.
Batman's gonna need them. I have like two. I think you're gonna need them.
We need to get, yeah, we're going to evaluate it. Get that in bed. We need that for the overhead.
Actually, you should be able to.
I don't know what all we have.
Lift that up.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, Batman.
yeah.
Set it on your shoulder.
Oh.
Or have Patrick come up the ladder behind you.
Take the one that's flush, as far as I can tell, but you gotta understand that that's also up like a quarter inch because of the drywall. Okay? It's sitting on this sheet of drywall and it's not sitting on the board. It's
Right, but that one's also sitting on the driveway.
Hey, Batman, when you bolt those, start from the outside to the middle and do every other hole.
Yeah.
I meant for the bolts, not the screws.
I'm not doing, I'm just putting another one in there.
Yeah. Patrick, after he's done, screw the double back together on the header.
That's why I'm here.
Yay! All right, Batman. Do you want to drill and bolt tonight, or do you want to do that in the morning?
Tomorrow.
All right, make sure you got bolts long enough, otherwise you'll know to get a coochie run in the morning. Want carriage bolts, preferably 3/8, but 1/4-20 will do if we have to.
I'm not doing carriage bolts. Carriage bolts we don't really have a lot of stock of.
What are you doing?
I'll just do regular hex bolts.
Okay.
You keep saying carriage bolts, that's not something I have a lot of stock of. That is what?
You're gonna need 5-inch bolts.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So I'm gonna have to do the coochies, right?
Cool. All right, last thing, you guys want to toss the trolley on there?
Now it's undone bolting it.
I think that's the best idea, yeah.
That's a good point. All right, set the wood decking up there and I'll screw that down a bit. That'll get it all nice and rigid and happy. And you set it up there, I'll climb up and bolt it.
I learned how to run a machine shop.
Set up an enterprise level server.
Program 9-foot robots.
Make lightning!
Edit video.
I'm building a radio station.
Light bulb terrarium.
A high-performance electric car.
I'm a CNC geek.
Computer geek.
Robot geek.
Physics geek.
AV geek.
I'm a radio geek.
Craft geek.
Car buff.
No matter what kind of geek you are, we've got a place for you here at the Geek Group. Come join us. We build awesome.